yeah. Beautiful scenery here.
Dad was checking out your exhaust. He said, did he gotta remove the baffles on that thing or something?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
He likes it.
Yeah, I can hear it from a quarter mile back.
Well, that's because it's a thumper, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, there's a lot of PSI going on in there.
I did get the gunny head tap from a guy to...
I saw that.
450.
I saw that.
Yeah.
That guy standing in the ditch or whatever by that sign.
Yeah, yep.
100% gasoline. Blows.
So are you rolling with hand lock on the front
What do you mean?
on your brakes?
Oh no, I got full ABS on. Why wouldn't I?
Oh, okay. I didn't know if you ever switched it.
Oh, I needed it there. A little cray-cray.
Oh yeah, there we go. Warming up the brakes. Like Spurgeon said from Revzilla, if you don't think you're going to make the corner, just lean harder and try it.
Well, yeah.
Did you see that video where the guy went on?
Uh-huh.
Oh, awesome. It was on Zilla TV. These dudes are riding, twisting stuff, and they're in California. And I don't know what happened. Some guy, he was coming around a corner, and maybe he was distracted, because he wasn't really even leaning into it yet. Well then, by the time he started making the turn, he probably could have saved it.
Right.
And he just didn't. He went straight. So he ended up clipping the ditch, and then he went across the double yellow.
Oh.
Ended up on the other side. Right before the guardrail, there was a pile of sand at the end of the guardrail, right? So he didn't hit the guardrail, he hit the pile of sand. Launched his bike in the air probably 50 feet. And, probably slow down here, wait for launched his bike in the air probably 50 feet. And the cliff went straight down.
Oh, that was a fun ride.
His bike was gone. He ended up, luckily, hitting a pine tree 50 feet up in this pine tree. So he only went down the hill probably 400 or 500 feet. But his bike was...
Really?
Oh my god. It was... And they replay it, they do it in slow motion. And, yeah, it's pretty gnarly. He didn't get, he broke a wrist or...
He had video on his helmet.
He did not, but the guy that was riding next to him, right behind him, did. They ended up having to chopper him out just because he had a broken leg and a broken wrist, and they couldn't climb the hill. That's how steep it was.
Oh, wow.
So had he not hit that pine tree...
Right.
I don't know. He was gaining elevation. Every foot he went out, he was probably dropping 50 in elevation.
Right. Yeah, I could stop and take a whiz and...
Yeah, sure. Find an obvious spot.
It's warm, isn't it?
Oh, close. 82. Just something so cool about getting up on the edge of your tire.
Right. Here you go. Here you go. Coming in hot.
Yeah, you should be able to see us plenty good here. Can't post the bike up here.
You and your frickin' shorts. I got that on vid. Wow.
Oh, I forgot my pants. Not sure that it would matter when I go down anyhow.
Well, I got some pretty thick Carhartts on. Give me a shot anyway.
Oh yeah, no, I'll take it to the bone. But
Might give me a bounce or two more than you. I'm ready to rock as soon as you are. Huh? I can't do that.
well, you can pass them.
Oh, okay. Oh, well, yeah.
Fisher took second in the 800, second in the high jump, and his relay got